Hello friends, welcome back to Easy to Learn Tech and thank you for watching all my previous video. If you are watching my video first time, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And in today's video, we are going to talk about furnace troubleshooting, common problem and easy solution. If furnace is crucial for comfort and survival in cold winter weather, without it, we would still be hunting around wood fires to stay warm. Unfortunately, furnace need regular professional tune-up and homeowner keep up to run strongly and efficiently. Even with proper maintenance, however, furnace can break down and develop problems that impede regular functions. If your furnace is acting up or refusing to turn on, go over these furnace troubleshooting tips first before you call any HVAC professional. The first thing you want to check is the air filter. Over time, furniture filter get dirty. Dirt and dust can quickly clog the filter, which impedes airflow, worsen indoor air quality and can even prevent the furnace from turning on in some cases. It can also become a fire hazard and cause premature breakdown due to the excessive dust and dirt. Turn your thermostat off and flip the furnace switch off before you conduct any work of the furnace. Check your air filter every 30 days. Hold your filter up to a light source. If light cannot pass through easily, it should be cleaned or replaced. When install your new filter, remember that the arrow should point in the direction of the airflow. Make sure you are properly secure with the access panel. After verifying that your furnace filter is clean and installed properly, check the thermostat. Make sure it is set to heat and try setting the temperature at least 5 degrees higher than the current room temperature. If the thermostat needs batteries, replace them. For electromechanical thermostats, you may need to open it up and give it a gentle dusting. Use a soft paintbrush or something similar to lighting brush off dirt and dust, including around the metal coils and contact plates. If your brush is too large, try a soft paper. Check the location of your thermostat and make sure it isn't receiving any false reading from sunlight, lamp, oven, space heater or any other heat source. If the thermostat is receiving the wrong input, it will send you the wrong output, which will make your furnace not work properly. Avoid any heat source near your thermostat. Sometimes the filter and thermostats are fine, instead power could be the problem. Check the furnace switch located near the furnace. Someone may have accidentally turned it off. Try flipping it back on. If that doesn't work, head to the electrical panel. Make sure power is turned on the breaker box or fuse box. If your breaker box is properly labeled, make sure the HVAC breaker is on. Even if you don't have any label, look for the breaker switch that is in the opposite direction of the rest. That is the breaker you want to switch back on with the rest. To reset your breaker, flip the switch all the way off before flipping it back on again. You should hear a click to restore power to a fuse box. Look for a metal and discolored fuse. Unscrew the fuse and replace it with the exact same size and type of fuse. The best way to find fuse replacement is to go to the store with a current fuse and replace it with an identical one. Turn your furnace switch on and see if the restore power to your furnace. If the power is still out for the breaker, continue to trip, contact a professional. Next, you have to check the furnace flame. Your furnace flame should be healthy blue color, which prefers a small yellowish tips. The blue flame indicates that your gas furnace is burning the fuel safely and efficiently. If the flame is red, yellow, purple, green or any other color than blue, contact a professional right away. Never attempt to fix your furnace flame color on your own. If you got to check the furnace flame, it is out, you will need to relight it. While you can relight the pilot on your own, be extra careful and consult your owner's manual for proper instruction. Don't forget to turn off the gas for around 10 to 15 minutes before attempting to relight the pilot. If you continue to smell any gas, do not continue. You may have a leakage, in which causes you should evacuate the household immediately and call your gas company and the fire department at a safety distance. or you have to call a professional to look for the leakage and do the troubleshooting and make your furnace work. Sometimes your furnace is working but your room aren't getting the proper heat and airflow. Inspect your entire home for all the supply and return grills. They should all be fully open and obstructed. Make sure there are no rugs, furniture or anything else restricting the flow of air. Not only will block vents and register affects your comfort, they can also lead to duct leaks due to the excessive air pressure and premature HVAC repair and breakdown. Closing of vents and registers in unused room is not a good idea. You won't save any extra money and it will end up causing more problems for your heating systems. It can occur due to the pressure, it will leak the ducting and which will cost much more higher. Instead of closing the vent, go and check all the ventilation all around your room and close the all ventilation and you will get the perfect heating system and you will get the proper temperature in all around your room. Stay tuned and keep watching my video.